Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a really small, quick project share for you today. And what I used were the new Kscraft dies that I just received from, I think yesterday's video. But this is what I'm playing with. Okay, so Wacky Wednesday over on my Crafty Boutique Co's channel, we played with some new dies. And this is the gift card, the wine bottle gift card holder, and it has like the card holder, the bottle, you get a belt, you get some tags in there, you got buttons, and you've got some, layering pieces. So it's meant to be like a gift card holder, but I created something else with it. I also played with the peppermint bows, and I only made one, so I used that. And then I also played with the wreath. This is the smaller wreath. That's the one I use. There's a small and a large, and then you get a bunch of extra bits. And then I also use this little die right here. This is the Jingle Bell. Oops. Oh, I need a new bag. I don't want to lose any pieces. So those are the pieces that I played with. And this is the completed project. And so look at all these gorgeousness. So I used a lot of my scrap papers. This is the wine bottle, and here's the gift card holder part. I don't have a card up here, of course, but this is open right here. There's no, I didn't put any glue, so all the way through. So if you're going to put the gift card in there, it will fit and it'll stay. So I think that'll be cute. I cut this out twice, the belt piece, because it doesn't go all the way around. So I just cut it out twice, and I had to put it down lower so that I don't lose this belt embellishment. So I went all the way around. And to make it into a box, I just made it with my score tool and my ruler. So it's about 2.5 inches. So I used a strip that was 3 inches wide. And then you need like however many pieces or inches. I used 2 pieces, and then I had to join it in the middle. And so this piece, because I got some reinforcements going on right there. You see the folded flap. So this is about 3 inches tall plus a 1/2 inch to add the reinforcement here, and then another 1/2 inch for the bottom flap to attach to make your box. And then this piece, it was 3 inches wide by 3 inches also, because I used a 1/4 inch to create our tabs. It's kind of hard to show you in this lighting, but right down there, so you can see the little folded tabs. And yeah, so I scored it at a 1/4 inch on each side, and so that would be the attachment piece for the front layer. And yeah, did the same on the other side with the reinforcement there. And then I double layered the wine bottle. Okay, I am using heavy cardstock, but I have to cut the piece to hold the gift card. So I just cut a second piece and then attached it to the box. And then the front piece, I wanted to double layer it because this was already layered twice, and then I'm also putting all this embellishments on it. So I layered it up twice just to give it a sturdy, firm box. Okay. Anyway, here's where I used the wreath. I cut it out of pink and red. I used 2 pinks and 1 red cardstock. And then the jingle bells are right here. And I cut that out of some silver cardstock. And then this is a chipboard piece I just had in my stash. I believe this was from Hobby Lobby 2 or 3 years back, but that's layered up on some foam. It's the 5mm foam, and I think I got that from Amazon. And then here's the tag that comes with the wine bottle, the gift holder. And then I added these little teeny tiny hearts, and that came from the hutch that was from the September release. And I cut the little pieces to fit onto the tag, and it gives it that little detail right there. And I just glued the tag to the top of the wine bottle. The bow, the peppermint bow, I cut with foam, and that is the Michael's Craft foam, and it's thin enough to fold and create the bow. And then the tool here is from Happy Mail that I got from Jenny, and it was just wrapped around some of the gifts that she had shared with me. So it's just sitting here, and I was like, you know, I could use that to give the bottle a little bit more texture. And so I added that under the bow. Then I added the bow. And this little peppermint is a button. I believe it's from Hobby Lobby. Buttons galore more, I guess. I don't know. Dress it up buttons. That's what it was. So I glued that to the center, tying in the red, the pink, and the white. And silver, because I cut the buckle out of silver. So it ties everything in, and the little Santa there. And then I could just write to and from on the tag if I wanted to. Or just put it back here with the gift card and tuck it in. Yep, because it's all the way through. There's no glue holding that. I only glued on the side panels. So the front panel is not glued on, and then the back panel is not glued. So you could put whatever you want in there. Yeah, and this, when I was on live with Louisa, I was suggesting I was going to make like a tag flip and get some like Christmas recipes for like cocktails or mocktails or whatever. If you're non-alcoholic, that would be cute to add a little tag flip in there and gift this with a, you know, wine bottle for a friend, or just have it in your kitchen with some recipes if you feel festive, and you can make an easy cocktail using the recipe card. So I think that's a cute idea. I can't wait to finish this up. But yeah, I only made one because I really just wanted to use these dies as soon as I received them, because you know, you tend to forget what you have in the stash, and if I put this away, I will forget. So this is a great use of this die. This is not, I'm not the first to make a box, obviously. Somebody else made a box, but I don't remember who. So if you're not following Kscraft on Instagram and on YouTube, go ahead and do so. Follow the hashtag also, because everybody who's purchasing Kscraft dies, they're sharing it using the hashtag, and you can see so many examples and some inspiration. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I wasn't moving around too much, but that's what it looks like, and I'm so happy with this. It came out perfect. The only thing I would do different is the next time I would use this the other way around, so that this part will be on the bottom. That way the gift card doesn't fall out. But I think it'll still be secure even if I, you know, put the gift card in. But yeah, that'll be for next time. So, yep. If you're new here, welcome. Join our crafty family. Hit the subscribe button, and then while you're there, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video like this, or when I go live here on my channel. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all on the next crafty video. Bye.